Everybody, come on, let me see your hands. Okay, hello, hi. Alright, that's more like it. So, first of all, welcome all of you here in the Voice of Fire Park, especially here in our World Kingdom presentation. By the way, my name is Saket and I'm one of the animal trainer here in the Voice of Fire Park, and I know what you're waiting for. You want to see some? So let's call them now. Just give me one second. Wait, there is some trash on the floor. No worry, give me just 1 minute, let me call my... Keep going, very good. Right, it's about to the rest, Alright, and the last one remaining. Alright, guys, how are you, bro? Imagine that was just a raven, and if a raven can do it, so can we, right? And for all of us, we have trash cans on either side of the stage. So whenever you want to throw your trash, you know where to throw it. Very simple. You know what? Here in the Safari Park, we have birds from all over the world. And past few years, they have been giving message about conservation and protecting our environment. And today is your lucky day because you will get the chance to meet them and interact with them. So, tell me, are you guys excited? Yeah, come on, let's have some excitement here. Are you guys excited? Alright, that's more like it. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Those were just few of the feather friends which we are going to see here today. We have a lot more than that, and I'm actually very excited to introduce you to all of them and share their amazing stories with all of you. Like our first feather friend right over here. Hello boys. So, this is John and Peter, our green-winged trumpeters, and these birds come from South America. They get their name trumpeters because of the deep low sounds which they make to communicate between their flock. They make two types of sound, one is low and the other one is high-pitched loud call which they make when they see predators around. And indigenous people from Amazon used to have these birds in their farms. So whenever the predator comes, they can alert them. Pretty big responsibility for such a small and cute bird, right? And you know what? They are not the only South American birds we are going to see here today. We have two more than that. There is one over here. Hello, Neil. Come down here. So, this is Neil, our channel-billed toucan, and they get that name channel-bills because of the small channels or ridges they have around their beak. They are actually one of the smallest toucans in toucan family, but you can notice his beak. It's quite cute, right, compared to his body. We will talk more about that, but for now, Neil, it's time for you to go back. Come on, let's go. There you go. So, now we are going to see one of the biggest toucan in toucan family. There you are. Hello, sunshine. This side. Right here. There you go. So here we have Sunshine, our Togo toucan, and Togo toucan, as I said, they are the biggest toucan in toucan family. And the first thing you will notice about them is that big and beautiful orange beak. But if you're wondering if that beak is making it difficult to fly around, let's see if he gives you So it's not really difficult for him to fly around because of that beak. It's actually made out of keratin, which is the same substance which makes our hair and our fingernails. So that beak is completely hollow and not really heavy. And that beak is not really useful for attacking any predators. It's useful when birds are looking outside for their partners. So if they have brighter and bigger beak, they have more chances to meet their potential partner. Come on, sunshine, it's time for you to go back to your man. There you go. Beautiful creatures. And you know, these birds are actually very popular because of that beautiful plumage. But people actually mistake other birds as stupids, and especially in the case of hornbills. Come on, let's go sing. So these two are our light hornbills, or also known as Papuan hornbills, coming all the way from Papua New Guinea. These birds are sexually dimorphic, which means after male and female you can easily identify just by looking at their colors. You can see over there, the yellow-headed one is our male hornbill and the black-headed one is our female hornbill. These birds are very agile flyers, they can even catch insects while flying in mid-air. I would love to show you that. There is no flying insect around. So I will be using fruits instead. Check this out. Come on guys, let's try this. Babies, they're just 2 or 1.5 years old, and they were born right here in the Safari Park. That was beautiful, right? Come on, guys, let's put our hands together for beautiful hornbills. And as we saw, hornbills, they're a very interesting family of birds. And speaking about interesting, let's talk more. So, here we have Windy, our female rhinoceros hornbill, coming all the way from Malaysia. And during breeding season, when female hornbill is ready to lay her egg, she will look forward to a cavity just like that one over there. And if she likes that tree cavity, she will go inside and lock herself with mud and debris. But during this time, it's male's responsibility to fly all over the forest and look for food for his family. So let's welcome Mr. Tim, our main rhinoceros hornbill. Let's go! How are you? As I said, it's quite windy today. Let's go, Mr. Tim. There you are. So, now Mr. Tim is going to fly on top of your head. So please do not try to grab him, alright? So, Mr. Dan, whenever you are getting ready, let's go, let's go. You ready? Alright. Okay. There you go. Perfect landing. That was very nice. Alright. So once the boiler station is 3 weeks old, it is a perfect time for female hornbills to come out of her nesting cavity. So let's go quickly. So now, these birds are very close to you. You must be wondering, what is what is that big thing on top of their head? It looks like second peak or banana or something. Yeah? It's called cast. We believe it works as a vibrating chamber to make their voices sound louder. But unfortunately, this is a big causing problem for these beautiful pictures in life. Because many people are actually hunting them to obtain that cast for making an ornament out of it. But luckily, there are so many rescue centers and rehabilitation centers working to protect these amazing pictures in the wild. So in future, we will be able to see many more hornbills flying across the skies of Malaysia. So once again, that was really active. Our masters and hornbills. Thank you. Alright, we already have volunteers for our next segment. So, let me tell you what you have to do. Where is your family first of all? That's right, okay. You have to hold, okay? Two birds will come here, and you are waiting for the legs on the other side. Alright? Let me put some seeds over here. Alright, legs, we are waiting for you. Come on, whenever you're ready. So, alright, two birds are going to come here, and they will fly. Okay? Don't try to touch them. Alright, ready. Okay, so let's go on southern member. Let's go, guys. So this is southern member, our black-headed parrots. You can see how they get that name. They have that black cap on their head. These birds are very small in size, but they are very naughty. These birds will fight with bigger parrots. And sometimes even with trainers. Don't go anywhere, we will see bigger parrots now. Alright, let's welcome Yasin and Ramdam. Let's go, guys. So, these two are our Amazon parrots. And they are from Amazon jungle. These birds are very well known for their mimicking behavior. Come on, guys, let's put your hands together for our big volunteers. Alright, now we have seen one of the smallest parrots under our care. Now we are going to welcome biggest and the most colorful parrot species in the world, the macaws. these birds, they can live around 60 to 70 years in the wild, which is really amazing for any bird species, right? But with this lifestyle also, these birds are facing problems in the wild. You know what? 6 species of macaws are already extinct, and more macaw species are getting in endangered list every single day. And you know what is causing that? It's illegal animal fighting and deforestation. But with all these devastating news, there is always a hope. Conservation will always be a vital part of the Voice of Body Conservation, and by doing small things directly, you can also be a part of it. By throwing your trash in the right basket, by supporting your local rescue centers, and by not buying from illegal animal fighting, you all can make a big difference. Remember, these birds, they all need our help. So let's join our hands together to protect these beautiful creatures and the environment they live in. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there. Who knows what adventure awaits you? There are still so many more stories waiting for all of you to be discovered. So, remember to save our planet, spread your wings, and make a difference. You guys have been wonderful audience. Thank you all so much for visiting. Have a lovely day. Only here till find some funny fun. Bye-bye.
Okay.